from the rest. There was a railroad which had to be made. Along that trail every man was afraid, and there was only one man who could do this job. Tall tales, I heard the sound of the hammer. Whoa, whoa, the hammer. He took a 10-pounder hammer and a piece of rail and laid them along that Apache trail. The sweet little wife, she cried, "Take some go." He kept a swinging at a hammer, driving irons back slow. I heard the sound of the hammer. Whoa, whoa, the hammer. And one hot day, about sundown, the engines were coming from all around. Tex took his hammer in his hand, fought those engines like a 40 men. The sweet little wife, she cried, "Take some go." He kept a swinging at a hammer, driving irons back slow. I heard the sound of the hammer. Whoa, whoa, the hammer. It was the bloodiest battle that a man ever seen. You could hear that a hammer back in New Orleans as he slayed all the savages and laid them to rest and carved their names upon his chest. The sweet little wife, she cried, "Take some go." He kept a swinging at a hammer, driving irons back slow. I heard the sound of the hammer. Whoa, whoa, the hammer. When the work was through, he laid his hammer down. If he'd have kept that a hammer, he'd be still around. If the story was a legend, I don't know. They say Tex got killed at the Alamo. The sweet little wife, she cried, "Take some go." He kept a swinging at a hammer, driving irons back slow. Sweet little wife, she cried, "Take some go." But Tex got killed at the Alamo. I heard